In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the DocuSign error that says unsupported PDF content. This is a very common issue that happens when you try to upload a document to DocuSign and it simply refuses to accept the file. Don't worry, in most cases, the problem is not with DocuSign itself, but with how the PDF was created. I'll walk you through 5 proven methods that will fix this error step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software fixes just like this. Let's get started. The first and easiest fix is to convert your file into a standard PDF format using an online tool like iLovePDF. Sometimes PDFs are created using advanced settings, special fonts, or unsupported compression methods that DocuSign cannot process. Go to iLovePDF.com and choose the PDF conversion tool. Upload your file and convert it to a standard PDF. Once the conversion is complete, download the new file and try uploading it to DocuSign again. In many cases, this alone resolves the unsupported content error because the file gets rebuilt into a cleaner, more compatible structure. If that doesn't work, the next thing you should check is whether the PDF has password protection enabled. Even if you can open the file normally, it may still have hidden security restrictions that block DocuSign. Go back to iLovePDF or use any trusted PDF management tool and select the option to remove password protection. Upload your file, enter the password if required, and download the unlocked version. After that, try uploading the unlocked PDF to DocuSign. Removing encryption often fixes compatibility problems instantly. The third method is to export the PDF to Word and then convert it back to PDF. This works because it completely rebuilds the document structure from scratch. Open the PDF in Microsoft Word. Word will automatically convert it into an editable document. Once it opens, click on File, then Save As, and choose PDF as the file format. This creates a brand new PDF using Microsoft's formatting engine, which is highly compatible with DocuSign. Save the file and upload this newly created version to see if the issue is resolved. If you're still getting the error, try printing the document to PDF. Open your file and press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac. In the printer options, select Microsoft Print to PDF on Windows or Save as PDF on Mac. Then click Print and save the file. This method essentially flattens the document, removing layers, scripts, or embedded elements that might be causing the unsupported content issue. Once saved, upload this flattened version to DocuSign. Finally, if none of these methods work, check the DocuSign system status. Occasionally, the issue may be temporary and related to DocuSign servers. Visit the official DocuSign status page and confirm there are no active outages. If there is a system issue, you may simply need to wait until it's resolved. And that's it. Those are the 5 most effective ways to fix the DocuSign error unsupported PDF content. One of these methods will almost always solve the problem. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.